Welcome to Aesthetic TV. I'm Stuart Brazel, coming to you live from the stage of The Aesthetic Show. While liposuction can remove fat from specific areas on the body, aesthetic specialists are seeing a new generation of treatments and procedures targeted towards the growing population of people looking for non-surgical solutions. The CoolSculpting procedure by Zeltiq is the #1 most requested non-surgical body sculpting procedure worldwide. With me today to discuss CoolSculpting fat reduction is Dr. Anil Rajani, a Portland, Oregon-based leader in minimally invasive aesthetic medicine. Welcome, Dr. Rajani.
Thank you, Stuart. It's great to be here.
Okay, so what is all the buzz about CoolSculpting?
Effective body contouring and fat reduction procedures are like the holy grail of medical aesthetics, especially if you can do them non-surgically. And